gave you my heart.
Hey, hi, I'm happy to meet you.
Happy to meet you.
Good. My name is SHARNA.
Nice.
Yes, can you say SHARNA?
Sana.
And how are you today? Are you well?
Yes.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Kolkata.
In Calcutta. Good. I live in Mauritius.
So nice.
Yes, thank you. Tell me, how many stars would you like to have today?
10 stars.
10? And how old are you?
I am 5 years old.
You are 5 years old. You're such a big girl. Well done. Are you ready to do our lesson together?
Yes, which lesson?
We are going to do a lesson about his
And
her.
Yes.
Okay, good girl. Yes, you went to Russia last time. I wonder where we will go today.
I'll tell you something. What is this blue color?
What is which?
The bellies popped and give the towel.
Yes, it had a hole. Shall we look?
Yes.
Yes.
I can see you.
You can't see me?
No.
Okay, I can see you. All right, let's start. Let's go. Let's see where. Can you see Sammy?
Yes, but I can see you, teacher.
Okay, I'm not sure why, but listen to my voice, okay? Listen to me and we'll do it together.
Okay.
Can you make a guess what's happening? What is Sammy thinking about?
A sandwich.
Yes, he's thinking about a sandwich. So what is he saying here? What does he say?
I give her mouth 1 minute.
He's saying, I need to land.
I give her.
I need to land. That means he wants to go down. Why does he want to go down?
I need to
Land.
I need to land. It means the balloon is do like this and fall.
Yes, it's going down. Yes. Can you see me now? Can you see?
No, I can't see you.
Oh
What
dear.
happened?
I don't know what happened, but we will continue
Oh,
because
switch on the
camera.
camera.
Yes,
Now
it's on. My camera is on. It's on. It's okay. We're going to go together. All right. You can listen to me. All right. Are you feeling hungry?
No.
No. Sammy is hungry. He says, I want to eat my lunch. Look, he's thinking of his yummy sandwich. He wants to eat lunch. So what does he need to do?
Yeah, and go to home and eat.
Yes, exactly. Good girl. Look here, I'm giving you 1 star because you are following so nicely. Good girl. All right, so let's see what happens to Sammy. Oh, what happened?
They have this popped. We need to again give the towel.
He's got a hole. Read
Oh no, there is a hole in the balloon.
Good girl. And it says, can you circle the hole? Good girl. Now we need to fix Sammy's balloon. Let's see if we can find somebody to help us. Look. Read with your tutor. Can you read this with me?
If we will
help
people,
Yes.
they
might
have us
give
us
clues.
clues and or help fix the balloon.
He might give us clues and help us to fix our balloon. Are you
I
ready?
don't know how to fix. I think we need to give a staple in this.
A staple. Oh. Can you help fix the balloon and
This
guess
one.
where we are?
This one. We need to give a towel in this.
Yes, we're going to get one at the end of our lesson.
I am fix it, Sammy. I am fix it.
You're trying to draw on it. You can continue, okay? Just listen carefully to my voice.
Are drawing a
Together.
He is drawing alone.
Yes, he's on his own. So these two, see here, there's a boy and there's a girl. There's two children. So when there's two, we say together. Can you see together?
Look, he's alone. He's in home.
Yes, you are right. He is drawing alone. He's by himself. Are you alone or are you together with somebody at your
Together?
Together? Yes, this means together. This says together.
There have two children.
Good girl. There are two children, so we say they are together. Together. I know. I'm so sorry, my darling. I don't know why. I don't know if it's my side or your side. I don't know. Let's keep. It might be. Let's keep going, and you need to listen carefully, okay?
Okay.
All right. It says read out aloud. What does this say? Her name.
And Janus.
Jane Davis. Good. Her last name is Davis. That's her last name. All right. What is your last name?
My last name? Let's see. Oh, her last name is Dave.
Yes, her last name is Davis. Davis. All right. And what are they doing? They?
The boy and girl.
Yes. What are they? What does it say at the bottom?
The button. Where's the button?
The bottom over here where I'm drawing a line. What does this say? They?
They have fun.
Yes, they're together and they're playing. What is he doing? Look at his face. He is? What is she doing?
She's doing funny Joker face.
Yes, she's doing a funny face. It's funny. And the boy...
These mouse and they look like again skibbles.
Oh, it makes circles and circles. Yes, they are having fun.
I don't tell circles, I tell skibbles.
Scribbles. Okay. All right. Look here, I'm giving you another star because you've been such a good girl. Okay, we're going to look at these people. First, we're going to start with the man. Can you see the man? The boy. What does it say? It says his hair is brown.
His hair is brown. His head is
Tall.
yes, tall.
What does that mean?
That means this head has a magic. Do like magic like this. The rabbit.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good. And what about his shirt? What color is his shirt?
Red.
Now we're going to speak about the girl. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, look at the girl for me. Her hair, what does this say? Read this for me. Read out loud.
Is bald.
Shirt.
Shirt is white.
Good. What color is her hair?
My dress is black.
Yes, it's a pretty dress. I like your dress.
Blonde.
Good girl, like my hair. If you look at my picture, my hair is blonde. Yes, I've got blonde hair. What color is your hair?
My color is red. Black. And
Yes, your bow is pink. Very nice. So now we have to choose the right answer.
The rats. He eats and does food. He's eat the food.
Yes, but look down here at the bottom.
Apple.
Yes. So put it in the sentence. Put it here. He eats his.
His is walking. His is walking around.
His something is Walker. Is it alone or is it last name?
He's it alone.
His something is.
This boy is alone.
Yes, he is alone. You're right. But his last name is Walker. Walker, that's his surname, his last name. Number 3, what does it say? It says, they are friends. So there's 2 children. What do we say? They play?
Together.
Yes, good girl. Big tick for you. All right, what about for this little? Very good. All right, and the last one, number 5. They have
at the park. They have a park.
Yes, good girl. Well done. Look here, I'm giving you another star. How many stars do you have?
I have 3. Now
Well,
2 more left.
There's 2 more left. Good. Let's keep going. You don't think America? No, it's not America. All right, we're going to see because it's a little clue. No, it's not a dog. It's a cat.
I am there is a dog.
It's a statue of a cat. You are right. Good girl. Do you like cats?
No, I like giraffe. The longer leg.
Yes, giraffe goes up to the sky. Yes, it does. What is this man telling us about this cat? What is he saying here?
It is a cat
Statue.
It is very old.
Yes. So this cat is like you said, it's a doll, but we say statue. Can you say statue?
Statue.
Good girl.
Is it old?
It's old. Yes. Okay, you're going to tell me here what these children are doing. So the first one, it says, who is eating? Can you see a girl who's eating?
Kim.
Yes, good girl. Can you circle Kim?
And the man alone. He's going to play with her friends.
Who's playing alone? Yes.
Children.
Good. Yes, he's not having fun. Hey. And who having fun? Which children are having fun?
Having fun. These I am certainly taken. The together, boy and girl.
2 more children who are having fun. Who else is having fun? I can see 2 children playing football.
I am no.
Which children are playing football?
Football? Jack and Tom.
Jack and Tim. Good girl. Well done. Yes, Jack and Tim are having fun. Who's not having fun? Your mum's phone's ringing. Okay, that's okay. What's that?
Oh, that's have a nice many things there.
Yes, and look what it says. It tells us it's another clue. Which
1 minute, I'm coming. I am switch off the AC. I am very cold.
Okay. What can you see?
Now you see the picture?
Yes, I can see you. What is this? Yes, I can see you there. And I can see your mouse. Good. Tell me, what can you see on this paper? Can you see a bird?
No. Yes, there don't have eyes. I can give her eyes.
Okay. What else can you see on the paper?
You see, I can give the blue.
Yes, I saw you gave the bird a blue eye. Right, we're going to the next one. It says, this is old writing. You see all this writing on here?
I can't see the bird. This one is Tatsuka. Yes, there has an arm.
Circle it. Circle the arm for me.
This one look like a skibble, and I give yours to I have a blue. You see the red?
Yes, exactly. I can see that.
And here is blue. You doing and count with me red?
Yes, I've got red and you've got blue. Good girl. Good girl. So see here now. Ooh, you have to draw a line. This one says her hair is black and there's a line. Okay, now it's your turn.
I see brown. This one also and this one also.
Yes, but it says his. Look carefully. Oh dear, look. His eyes are brown. Where's the boy with brown eyes?
Sorry, I am forget.
It's okay. It's okay. You can do this one now. Her means a girl. Her shirt is green. Can you draw a line from that one to the...
Yes, I can.
Good. Show me.
On these and these.
Yes, this one. All right, good. What about this one now? It says, her eyes are green. It's a girl. Where's the girl with green eyes?
Her eyes is brown.
Yes, so where's the girl with green eyes?
Green eyes? This one and...
Yes. Good, but her, when we say her, remember it's a girl. Her is girl and his is boy. Okay, so let's see this one. Yes, good, well done. And the last one, listen carefully. His hair is blonde. No?
This one and this one. Her hair is... Oh, I give the girl. Girl and a boy.
There's a girl and a boy. What would we say her hair?
Her hair... the girl's hair is blonde and the boy's hair is stretchy and...
Yes, it's sticking up. Yes, it is. Good. All right.
I have a 1 minute. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There has a floor.
Yes.
More boy.
One more star. Good. Look, we have another clue. This girl says, thank you. Please take this. What is this? What is this thing?
Thank you. Please take this. What happened to do you see?
What shape do you see? What shape can you see here? Well done.
This is the line of the tree.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Well done. And do you know which country this postcard is from?
Teacher, I tell you something.
Yes.
I am think the class is over and the time is over.
Yes, the time is nearly finished. You are right, my darling. Thank you, and it was so lovely to be with you. Will I see you again?
Yes.
Yes, I hope so. I'm very sorry my camera was not working.
There has a break along one more left.
Yes, quickly give you one more star. Look, how many stars do you have now?
1.
5.
5.
See you soon. Goodbye. Bye.
Bye.